Okay, welcome to Paigefamily Homestead. I'm Andy. She's not.
He's thankful. We just wanted to come on real quick. I can't stay long. I had my surgery on Monday, so today is day 3, and I'm having a hard day today. I tell you, it's stiff. We've had a lot of people message and write and even pip up in videos and express their concerns and their prayers for us both during this time.
Yeah.
Surgery went very well. They treated me so good there, right?
Yeah, they did, yeah.
Andy wasn't allowed to go with me, and that bothered me because I don't even go to the dentist without Andy. So he was able to sit in the waiting room, right?
She just punches it out.
You were able
Yes.
to stay in the waiting room.
Yeah.
And then when it was time to be brought into the OR, they just took him out and
Yep.
said they'd call him.
And they didn't. I called there to find out, and then she was awake and in recovery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the surgery was 2 hours, 2.5
Oh,
hours.
geez. What? Yeah, about that easy.
Yeah.
2.5 hours easy.
The incision is 30 staples, 12 to 13 inches long.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he had to buy me the 12-inch
12-inch island dressing.
Yeah. So 12-inch then, it fits in there. But I'll tell you, I've got some supportive friends. Judy Rose is here to help, and she's been literally running around taking care of me and making sure my needs are met and pushing me when I need to be pushed for my physiotherapy, telling me to smarten up and give myself some slack when I need it. And Andy has been in and out doing his stuff he needs to get done.
I'm the runner.
Coming in to make sure I have everything I need. So I'm being very well looked after.
Well, we thank you for all your
Oh,
support and all your prayers.
you won't believe all the comments and all the prayers sent, even to the Facebook page, even on another channel's page. On Roland's,
Yeah.
one of the comments. Oh.
North of 7.
But and Angie put out a nice little prayer request out for me. So I'm gonna be I'm a little bit drugged right now. So I'm gonna try and do some catch up with the computer. I've got to edit this. We'll see how that goes.
Well, we had one of the driveway being put in.
Yeah, but I still have to edit it with
Yes.
stupid brain, right?
Yeah.
So, oh, Jesus Christ! I just did it.
What'd you do?
Smacked my incision. Oh, because you know I'm all there.
Ow!
So they say that I would be using a walker for 6 weeks. Yesterday I used the walker and they were busy, so I wanted to see what I could do. So I went outside and took my cane and hooked it here. I used the cane and the proper. I used it and went down the steps on my own, and then I walked with the walker up the street to the driveway and back, all on my own and back in. See, having a big bum hold a door works for me.
A big what?
A big bum. It held the door.
Oh, I thought you said a big bum. Never mind.
But I just would like to request a few more little prayers, please, because if today's, I'm doing my physio 3 times a day, and if just this morning's is an indication of healing, he told
Reminds me of an
me.
old torture chamber.
Oh my God.
The screams.
Yeah. I guess everything's tightening up, but he told me the beta blockers and all that would be wore off and it was going to be extremely painful. I was home before 24 hours after my surgery. They didn't even keep me 24 hours.
No.
So, and I got to wear these old lady orthopedic stockings, you know, like.
You're not going to do the can real
No,
soon.
I won't be doing the can. Not for a little while, although that could be a good exercise. I do want to thank you all, and I would like to ask for continued prayers for speedy recovery, please, because I got lots to do. I got a lot of stuff to make up for.
Yes, she does. Like yesterday, my dinner wasn't on time.
Oh my.
Just kidding.
He thought I should have known that the eggs, we only had 2 eggs in the fridge today. Well, why didn't you tell me? I'm like,
That's right. Why didn't you tell me? Leave a comment below. Tell me why.
thank you very much, everybody.
Yeah.
Please remember to hit the thumbs up. That's your like.
Ding, 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 ding.
And that bell.
That bell.
Thank you.
And if you're not subscribed, what the heck? What's going on? I don't believe it.
Bye.
Okay, bye for now. Oh. Oh.